Hi, my name is Vanessa, and today I will talk about our new unit. It's our EP768. It's called our bundling tabletop attachment. Super lightweight. It's usually used in smaller packaging stations. The cool part about it is that it has retractable arms. So when you're bundling, you can just move them forward, and when you're done, swing them back so you don't bump into them. It also has these rubber grips that help it secure it to the table, and these threaded rods that help it adjust it to any table thickness. And now I will show you how to place it on the table. And now that you have put the unit on your table, these little black knobs will make it super convenient to adjust as tight as you want it to. And as you can see, it's pretty tight. Now this unit is only 11 inches wide, but if you do have bigger packages, we can provide a longer rod per your request. And now I will show you how to bundle a package and talk about its financial perks. Now that you're ready to bundle up your package, just swing the arms to the front, and that is where your package will lay. This unit can hold up to 25 pounds. Now here we have two packages. This first package is $8.80 for UPS. This other package is $9.70 for UPS. And if you ship these individually to the same place, your total cost will be $18.50. But if you bundle these up together, you save 30% and your total comes out to $12.50. Now I will show you how to bundle with our EP760, which is our most popular hand dispenser. And you can cut it with our hook knife, EP225. And here you have a bundle package that can slide off right off the arms. This has been a demo on our EP768, which is available at Encore Packaging and made in the United States. Thank you.